Let's discuss how state updates are asynchronous. We will explore why state updates don't happen immediately in Node.js applications. Let's clarify what asynchronous means in the context of Node.js. Synchronous code waits for each operation to complete before moving to the next step. On the other hand, asynchronous code continues executing while operations happen in the background, allowing for non-blocking execution. Here's a common pitfall to avoid. Consider this code block. We initialize a count variable to 0. Then we attempt to increment the count using the setState function and immediately log the count to the console. However, the console will still display 0 because the state update is asynchronous and doesn't happen immediately. Why does Node.js handle state updates asynchronously? Two primary reasons are performance and batching. Asynchronous updates prevent blocking the main thread during state calculations, ensuring smoother performance. Additionally, multiple state updates can be grouped together for efficiency, optimizing overall execution. The event loop plays a crucial role in managing asynchronous state updates. When setState is called, a state update request is initiated. This update is then added to the task queue. Finally, the event loop processes the update, ensuring it's handled efficiently in the background. How can we correctly handle state updates given their asynchronous nature? After calling the setState function, it's important to avoid immediately relying on the updated state value. Instead, use a callback function or the useEffect hook to access the updated state after it has been processed. Here's an example of how we can make this happen. We can call useEffect hook with count as its dependency, and inside it we can print the value of count to the console. Let's examine a practical example to illustrate the correct approach. In the wrong approach, we call setCount and then immediately log the count, resulting in the old value being displayed. In the right approach, we create a new count variable, set the state with the new count, and then log the new count, ensuring the correct value is displayed. Here are the key takeaways from this discussion. First, state updates happen asynchronously for performance reasons. Second, avoid relying on immediate state values after calling setState. Understanding the asynchronous nature of state updates will help prevent common bugs and ensure your Node.js applications function correctly. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.